It's your boy Crypto Blood, and I've got a new BitYard feature that I want you guys to know about. It's called Copy Trade, now available on BitYard. A new feature currently only available on the desktop. If you're not really comfortable trading your own account, you can go copy some of those individuals that are allowing others to follow their trades. So check that section out after you sign up as well. Link in the description below. BitYard.com, new spot trading and copy trading features. The world's leading cryptocurrency contract exchange. Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is Monday. Shout out to my man Wire Sparks, one of my premium members. He's been a long time member. He got that purple holla badge on him right there. He wanted to hear the song DJ chose Baddie. This is hilarious, bro. The songs that Wire Sparks sends me, 9 times out of 10, I've never even heard of the song. So I'm always looking for a Wire Sparks song request, just to let y'all know. Hope everyone's doing well today again. Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be looking at, I just talked to my man Alan Henna. If you guys don't, you missed these live streams over the weekend, you got to go back and watch them. They are hilarious. Last night's live stream went way too long, 3 hours, but it was definitely well worth it. But we talked about Dogecoin a little bit, and you know, he's like, hey, Doge can go to $1 just off the sheer strength or power of Elon Musk. You know, Snoop Dogg's, the celebrities, everybody's pumping Doge. What's a double-edged sword, right? Once the celebrity turns his back on the community because there's nothing else there, there's no fundamentals in that move up other than an Elon Musk, then you're going to have repercussions from that. And, you know, Elon is free-spirited. He just says what he wants on Twitter. And he kind of, to me, backstepped a little bit on the Doge community. We'll get into the details on that here from the article I picked from You Today. It says Elon Musk prepared to pay USD to Doge whales if they dump their coins. I'm going to explain exactly what his tweet said. It actually came out during our live stream yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to touch on it. But we'll go into the details on this and what this means for you, those who are looking to get in Doge. I've been very, very adamant about not touching that coin. There are so many other coins to touch that haven't done a 700x, right? So just keep that in mind. Do a little bit more research. Don't fall for the easy bait and switch, right? That's the easy one to go by because it's in the media. It's all over social media. That's easy. Go do your research and find the gems. And I talk about a lot of those gems on my channel. So you want to stay tuned when I talk about various coins here and there. I don't specifically talk about coins like that, do analysis on coins. I typically try to stay to the crypto news in general to give you guys overall macro view of what's going on, a pulse on the crypto markets, because that's important as well. There are so many other channels for you to go find your shield coins and what's good, and you know, 10,000x, is Bitcoin going to $1 million? You know, all that stuff, right? So you got enough of those channels. Go check those out for the pumps and dumps. And also out of AMB Crypto, this was interesting. Jed McCaleb dumps 40 million XRP. This is the co-founder of XRP. To me, your co-founders and founders, you should never see them dumping the coin. That to me should raise some concern. We'll take a look at this here today as well. And then lastly, we've got Cardano. I know my guy Alan Henna would be glad I'm talking about Cardano today. Cardano's Mary upgrade seeks to compete with Ethereum's network. I guess this upgrade is going to allow NFTs and some other things. We'll get into the details. I'll give you my 2 Satoshis on it. Still not a fan of ADA, but we're definitely going to cover it because it's part of the crypto sphere. All 3 articles coming up on today's episode of My 2 Satoshi. Let's get it. Guys, find these types of videos informative. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. Let's take a quick look at the heat map. We've got Bitcoin down a little bit today, down almost 1%. Trading at 48,483 bucks. That's so crazy to say that. Ethereum is trading at 1,811 bucks, down just about the same, 0.94%, almost 1%. BNB getting hit hard today, but it had a crazy rally, so that's to be expected. XRP down 7% today. That's to be expected. XLM down as well. EOS is down. A lot of coins are down in deep red. We had a nice run though. If I zoom into my DPoS tokens, you'll see EOS down, TRX down, Nano is up, and guess who else is up? Telos. Yes, it's shield time, people. Telos up 11.4%. And if you take a look at that market cap, just keep that in mind, because I'm going to bring this back up later in the video when it comes to something else we're going to be talking about, another coin, another project we're going to be talking about, and why you need to look at tokens with lower market caps, because the ceiling is so much further away than it is for some of these coins that have already inflated and pretty much priced in a lot of stuff that's being announced and projected to be announced or done on that particular project. This one right here, I told you guys, I put it in a post earlier today. It's a hidden gem. And I did an interview with my man, the founder, I should say, Douglas Horn, and it was trading at like 4 cents then. I bought around a penny and a half, 2 cents. That's where I was loading in for some time now. It's a patient, it's a game of wait. All right, you got to let the markets catch up to what you know fundamentally is good about a particular blockchain. So we're currently at 14 cents, but I think that's not really reflecting correctly, because I've got 21 cents over on CoinGecko and 17 cents over at CoinMarketCap. I don't use CoinMarketCap anymore, but I just wanted to reference that. So somewhere in between 17 cents and 21 cents is the average price for Telos right now. But checking out Bitcoin on the daily chart is looking very good. 20,000 is around here, right? So that's really only, just to keep keep things in perspective here, ladies and gents, that's about 57% away from where we are right now. So just keep that in mind. It's not like out of the realm of possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm not putting a crypto dominant stamp on it. No, I am not. I'm just telling you guys to watch out for that 20K marker somewhere around there at some point in the future. Is that happening now? I don't think so, especially with this type of candle forming today. If it can close like this or even in the green, that is on a daily, that is a strong bullish candle. All right, so let's see what happens though. But overall looking pretty good, even though we're slightly down right now in the crypto markets. Let's take a look at the first article. Cardano out of Coin Journal. They're talking about its upgrade Mary, which is seeking to compete with Ethereum. It says that they're inching closer to that Mary upgrade, which actually rolled out in February, early February. I think it's February 3rd. It rolled out on the test net. All right, but they're looking to roll it out live on the main net. According to Cardano's roadmap, the Mary upgrade will transform the blockchain into a multi-asset network, allowing it to compete with the likes of Ethereum. The team expects to launch the mainnet before the end of the month. The other features of the Mary upgrade will roll out simultaneously in line with ADA's roadmap's various phases. Ongoing Cardano upgrade will see its native tokens have similar functions to the ERC20 fungible and ERC721 non-fungible tokens on Ethereum. Thanks to the upgrade, Cardano users will now have the power to create their own token. Now, listen. It is 2021, okay? And we're just seeing Cardano have this ability on their blockchain. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, if your blockchain can't do that right now and your market cap is $28 billion, let's zoom in on that. $28 billion. Come on now, people. That is an issue for me as a value. I'm a value guy when it comes to, actually holding crypto for a longer term. I got to look at value. In that is the tech, of course, but also the utility and how many people are actually using that blockchain. That's what I use as an assessment. I tell you guys all the time, blocktivity.info is a tool I use on a regular to check up on where my top coins are in relation to value per utility. I don't see Cardano anywhere on this list yet. I won't even consider Cardano until I see it on this list. Just keeping it 100 with you guys. All right, so to see that they're just now getting the functionality for tokens in the way that Ethereum and other blockchains are able to have, this is a grossly overvalued blockchain right now with no dApps. I'm not trying to hate on Cardano. I know I got some Cardano fans out there. Listen, you need to hear the real, and it's okay to disagree as well, right? So the article goes on to talk about the ongoing Cardano network development is possibly affecting ADA's coin. ADA hit an all-time high of 97 cents during the weekend. So it has surpassed Polkadot in terms of market cap. and it's just not worthy of that. I would take Polkadot being at $28-29 billion market cap over Cardano. It's just, to me, overvalued. And I said, keep that in your memory regarding market caps, right? Because we have a market cap on Telos of $36 million. Now, you heard it right, $36 million. Not 36 billion, not 360 million, not 3.6 billion, 36 million. You tell me the upside. Who has a better upside here? I'm gonna leave that there. You let me know in the comments below. And Telos can do all of what Cardano is hoping and promising in May and all. No, this can already happen on Telos, which is an EOS.io blockchain. So I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just giving you the facts so you can do your own research and figure out what's best for your portfolio. Next, XRP co-founder Jed dumps 40 million XRP. This is should be for the XRP Army group a little concerning if you hadn't had one yet, which you should have. But XRP scan in the past 2 days says the co-founder of Ripple moved roughly 40 million XRP from his taco stand wallet, which was named and activated when McCallum was still working with Ripple. The former tech chief is very active when it comes to selling his XRP. In fact, earlier noted by the Whale Alert team, as of December of last year, McCallum estimated total XRP holdings sales were at 1.2 billion, and that was at 20 cents. Over the years, he has combined total XRP of 2.25 billion XRP, or $546 million. In addition, that crypto tracking business found more than 90,000 transactions last year and tracked around 8 billion XRP moved between Ripple and a settlement account. McCallum's personal accounts, that is. It should be noted that ever since the exec departed Ripple, the firm has been transferring significant amounts of XRP to McCallum's wallet as part of the settlement agreement that compensates him for his role as founder. Wow. But interesting enough, just after the SEC lawsuit, he hasn't been selling any. However, it looks like he's resumed, and he did that in January. His wallet now shows a balance of 499 million XRP at press time. That's at 52 cents. I don't know, man. You guys let me know. Listen, I don't know how this is all going to pan out. If the SEC is going to sue only the company or the found, how does that work? But this should be something of concern for you guys. So last article out of you today, Elon Musk, is he changing his mind? Is he turning his back on the Doge community? Well, let's look at this tweet he put out yesterday. After slamming the uneven Doge wealth distribution earlier today, or it's yesterday really, Tesla CEO now tweets he is prepared to pay crypto whales for voiding their Dogecoin accounts. The CEO of Tesla and the man with the highest net worth in the world continues his morning Doge discussion. Earlier today, he poured criticism on the uneven wealth distribution of the Dogecoin wallets and encouraged crypto whales to sell their coins. This tweet pushed the meme crypto down approximately 20%. Now Musk has tweeted that he is actually prepared to pay whales if they void their accounts. Some commenters under the tweet have assumed that Musk offers to take Doge at large amounts off their hands who currently hold the coin. Some are also criticizing Musk for impacting the price of Doge negatively. See, they love you one day, Elon, and the next they hate you. They don't really care about you. They care about their bags. Earlier, Elon Musk referred to Doge as the crypto of all people and the future currency of the earth. And I think this is something my man Alan probably would agree with. And it's possible. No lie about that. Like, Doge is, if any coin was going to be, and I said this years ago, even before I started this crypto channel, I told people then, like, look, comparing, because back then we would compare, it used to be like on coindesk.com, there were only 3 coins up at the top. It was Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Back then, those were the dominant cryptos at that time. I'm talking 2014-15, right? Back then, I said when Dogecoin merged mined with Litecoin's network, and then later on they had a 5 million Doge inflation mechanism put into the contract, into the code. I said, hey, if you actually want to use crypto as a currency, Dogecoin would be it, because it's inflationary. It should at that point make people just want to spend it instead of hodling it. Deflationary coins aren't great for a country's currency because it really encourages hodling, and lack of money velocity is not good for an economy. To be honest with you, a Dogecoin or any coin that has inflationary attributes is a good coin to have be a cryptocurrency in a day-to-day use case. Not even Litecoin. Litecoin would be a speculative hodl coin, unlike Doge, where you would literally, it would be the people's currency because they would use it on a regular basis, knowing that there's a 5 million Doge a year inflation on that coin. That's just my take. We'll see what happens with Doge. Will it hit $1? Sure it will, but as I told my man Alan, I need a date. He picked March of 2022. It will have hit $1 by then. I don't see that at all. It will hit $1. Doge at $1 is Bitcoin at $1 million or $2 million, right? It's all in relations. And so you guys let me know, when do you think Dogecoin will hit that $1 marker? I'll have something for you on March 2022 if you pick the right price. Put that in the comments below for sure. All right, that's pretty much it though, ladies and gents. And before leaving, Wire Sparks, thanks for that song request, brother. If you guys want to submit song requests, just hashtag song requests under any of my videos. Of course, my members get priority, so those get done first, and then everyone else falls up under that. All right, DJ Chose, Baddie, we out of here. Holla!